Food Saved Me is the story about how food saved my life, but it's also a love story. It's a love story about loving food, loving family, loving community, loving my friends, and loving myself enough to take an active role in my healing. I've experienced a decade-long cycle of diagnosis, disease, remission, setbacks, recovery, and loss, but one thing has held true: food continues to save me. And my mission is to help you understand all the different ways food can help save you too. I want you to know that you're not alone. Hundreds of millions of people around the world suffer from various types of autoimmune diseases, and millions more from food allergies or chronic ailments. While diet may not provide a complete cure, changing how and what you eat can help manage your health and significantly reduce both the frequency and the severity of flare-ups. I would bet my life on it. That's why I have written Food Saved Me. I want to share my journey so that you will know that there is a path forward. There is healing and there's hope. In fact, if you take nothing else from my story, I pray that it will be that there is hope. Hope that you can live a full, happy, and healthy life without ever feeling hungry, excluded, or deprived. Hope that with each setback comes new learnings and a renewed sense of determination. Hope that food can radically change your life for the better.